Chromite is found in Pakistan in the area of _blank. Muslim Bog. Current president of Azad Kashmir. Masood Khan. Blank _ has proposed a ban on political parties from collecting money from aspiring electoral candidates. Election Commission of Pakistan, ECP. Lahore High Court orders PIA, Pakistan International Airlines to include %, female quota in recruitment of pilots. 10%. Who is the current Chief Justice of Sindh High Court? Justice Ahmed Ali M. Sheikh. Islamic military coalition formed to combat terrorism is the alliance of nations. 39 nations. The first match of Pakistan Super League (PSL) T20 was played on in UAE. The 4th of February 2016. Current spokesperson of Pakistan. Nafiz Zakaria. Who is the current Federal Minister of Federal Education and Heritage? Shafkat Mahmood. Member of Sindh Assembly and MQM resigned on 22 August 2016. Aram Faruqi. Current Director General, DG, FIA. Wajid Zia. Supreme Court acquits Asiya of blasphemy charge, orders her release on _blank. The 31st of October 2018. According to provisional results of 6th population census, total population of Islamabad is 2.00 million. Chief Justice of Pakistan arrived in for a week-long trip for fundraising of Diamur Basha Dam on the 21st of November 2018. London. How many times have Pakistan won the Asia Cup? 2.